Hi guys, it's me, Grandma Williams. Grandma's got a sore throat today. Kind of sore and it's tight and it hurts. I was just wanting to come in here because I've got a couple of bags of cough drops I want to go over with you. Me and my husband both use cough drops, and we go to Walgreens. His cough drops are the cherry flavor. They're generic, but they're the cherry flavor. And his cough drops has cornstarch, corn syrup, eucalyptus oil, glycerin, medium chain triglycerides, natural and artificial flavors, soybean oil, sucrose, and water. Have you ever read the warnings on these bags? The warning says, sore throat warning. If sore throat is severe or persistent for more than 2 days, is accompanied or followed by fever, headache, rash, swelling, nauseated, or vomiting, consult a doctor promptly. If sore mouth symptoms do not improve in 7 days, see your dentist doctor promptly. These symptoms may be serious. Well, hey, that's for anybody. Okay, it's interesting to know they put that warning label on there. Now, that's what they look like. See that? Whoops, that's the wrong one. That's what they look like, the cherry ones. And that's the ones my husband used. Now, I'm a diabetic, so I have to get cough drops for me because I'm not supposed to be taking anything with sugar. Only substitute sugar, and I have to watch how much sugar I take. These are the ones I get, and they're generic at Walgreens. They're sugar-free, and they're good. They got honey in them. And let's see, I'm going to read the inactive ingredients. Xylithium, potassium, beta-carotene, cornstarch, eucalyptus oil, glycerins, medium chain of triglycerides, natural artificial flavoring, soybean, and sucrose, and water. It almost sounds like the same thing, doesn't it? I like them. They work for me, and my sugar is not raised when I take them. So I'm trying to figure out what's the main difference in these. So you got to read the fine print to see it. These are the ones I take. These are the sugar-free. And if you're a diabetic, I would say go out. Don't get these. Get these. They're so much better for you. And I like them. And today I've got a sore throat. And these got honey in them. So good. So go out to Walgreens and look for these guys. Even if you're not a diabetic, I would suggest you get these. You'll thank me later in life. Until next time, Grandma loves you. Be good and be careful.